Hi, this is Visit Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add location on Snapchat story. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! For those who love to have endless options for stickers and filters, Snapchat is probably the best social media platform available. It's incredibly interactive and everything about it promotes creativity and reaching out to friends and it's engaging. One of the ways it helps you to connect to others is by allowing you to add location and use specific geofilter. So how to date if you want to add location on your Snapchat filter? It's so simple. So first of all, of course you have to open our Snapchat. Now you can just create story. Now you can just add location on your Snapchat story by tap on here, on the sticker icon on here. And you'll find there is like mentions, sounds, location, caption, pulse, and story. You can just choose on location. You can search for the location that you want to add. This for the example, if you tap on the location, the font will be changed like this. Now you can just send it to your story. So simple, right? So anyone who sees your story, they will know where you are, where the stories you've made on. It's so simple, right? So that is how to add a location on your Snapchat story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.